Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am back with another video. And I'm just turning out videos right now. So if you see me with this same shirt on, I'm just turning out videos back to back. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you is this is only one video, and this is a DIY I did and thing a couple of years ago. I never showed it on my old channel, but I had went to Dollar Tree a couple of years ago, and I had brought these candle holders, and I sprayed them silver, and I had like Walmart basic bling wrap. So since I've been using the nail bling, I decided to update it, revamp it, and this is something that I think, oh, sooner or later, like I say, I'm mostly inspired by anything I do now. If it's just me being just creative, I know for a fact that I haven't seen it by Z Gallery. I'm just inspired by the brand Z Gallery. So you're going to need some candle holders of your choosing from Dollar Tree. That's one. You will need the nail bling from Amazon.com, E6000, and the bling picker. Okay? And make sure when you get the glue, it is the clear translucent one. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is what they are looking like, if you can tell. So I did a strip on the bottom, and I did the top. So for each one, just what I want. So each one, trying to figure out what I'm going to do for the edging. And I might have to order some other stuff for it. But this is where it's looking like, if you can tell, it's like doing that. And it's just a little simple, candle holder. I mean, you could get away with and everything. It's just, simple. Simple, dimple. And y'all, let me hear from y'all. What do y'all think I should put in the middle or something? So don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.